cat's missing. His name is Patrick. I got a very cute cat. Pathetic. Yo. Look. She's right. She's right here. The book you guys right there. She's my pet. Alright? Bring her down. Some kittens. And just show you. Alright guys. I'll show you this one. As you guys know, the favorite kitten. As you guys know, the favorite kitten. Mine is this one. I hope you guys like it. It's very cute. Alright guys, we're gonna go for a dirt lunch. Hold on guys, stay there. Alright guys, I'm back. So I wish my dog was back about someone took him. So I told my dad to buy me a new one, but he wouldn't. Because he's so stupid. I don't like him. Not at all. Also, yeah, knife to kill. Yeah, just kidding, it's fake. That's just a toy knife. Let's see what I got. Never mind. Forget of what I got. So if you want more videos of me, you better subscribe. Because I'm going to be coming in tomorrow. Tomorrow morning. You guys are going to love my videos. I'll be coming around the counter hero. I'll be coming around the counter hero. I'm just came around the counter right now. There's no money in the register. Oh no. Yeah, this is a murder. Yo. 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 Oh, you want 4 years, bro? Come on. Come on. Come on, bro. Come on. That was a long fun, the king of fighting. But if you want more videos of me, comment down below if you want a free couple one of these. They're very valuable. They're like $25. But it's also expensive. Okay? Do you want me to hide it first? Okay, that's a no. So I'll see you guys in the next video. See you. I love you guys and the bottom of my heart as always.